Hello everyone, welcome back to another gaming channel. My name is Ivan and today I'll be playing Car Crushers 2 on Roblox. Car Crushers 2 just has released a new update on Car Crushers 2. It is update 84, so I'm so excited to check it out. So let's go ahead and then do it. Okay, so let's check out one of our best vehicles they have. Straight in. Okay. Oh, there it is. There's a flatbed tow truck, so let's go ahead and test this truck out. Okay, here's the sirens. What kind of sound does it make? Nothing. Alright. That's cool. Boom! Oh my gosh. And let's go again. Dive right in. Hey, truck. Sorry, buddy. How's my truck still ain't that good? Okay. Go! Boom! Sorry, little truck. You're bad. Okay. What other vehicles do they have? Okay, they have this one, but you have your mission to get this. Okay, so now it's time. So what if I crush this? There's leaks on this truck. It's still classic, so it should be changed as a real one. It's a blocky truck. Okay. So I'm going to use this to change the rhythm. Alright. This naughty stuff has to leave. There we go. Okay, now this is bad. Okay, I don't really like this. So I'm going to change the rims of this truck and oh wait, hold up. Oh, this vehicle is scourged. So I have to finish this up making this scourge, but before I do that, let me add something that can go really fast to it. Okay, how about a booster? Okay. Let's go. Okay, the tube shredder E. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh, whoa. Ow. Okay, well that did really hurt. Let me spectate my... Oh no. Okay. Now... change the rims for that nuke military. Oh, there it is. I just skipped it. Okay, let me customize. What I'm gonna do. I can't change the rims. Well, turn That was. Oh, my dear truck. It's completely crushed. Oh! Wow! Wow! Oh. Okay, we only have a few more partners. Okay. Time to deliver those packets. Okay, move faster, you big fat truck! There we go. Uh-oh, did I just broke it? Oh no, I just broke it. Well, whatever. Sorry. Okay, I'm learning more Latina. Okay, it's completely destroyed. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. I'm just gonna keep on honking for somehow. Classic. Fantastic. Oh, hello, Mr. Jumper. Okay, so this trailer keeps on blocking my way. So you know what? I'm sorry, trailer, but I'm going to have to destroy you. Okay, there. Now is it just a regular truck? Okay, it's definitely a regular truck. Look at it. Okay. You know what, I'm going to back this truck up. Okay, there's my trailer. Okay. E-Z-E. Spectate. Oh no, sorry, but get eaten up, bro. Bye! Okay, he got eaten. You pretty sure it did get eaten? Okay, next part. 17 platinum. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I got a scourge vehicle. Okay, let me use it. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Wait. Oh, I think I should probably finish this up. Let's see. The higher I get, the more platinum I earn. The higher I get, the more. Okay, should we? I don't want to do this spinning camera. Yeah, the crusher gives us more platinum usually, so I should test that out. Okay, let's go. Oh, I didn't even mean that. Nope. Ooh. I should probably finish this vehicle. I think I might get twice as a scourge. Yes. see what happens if I crowbar some of the wheels that I just bought. Okay, boom, that's one. Like, usually semi trucks should be special as VIP because they have special. Okay. This truck is literally in my way. Naughty truck. Get out of my way, naughty truck. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Move! 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 Move. I don't want to see you again. Bye. Because you're so mean. You're so mean.
Explosion imminent.
Uh-oh.
Evacuate the facility immediately.
That's bad. That's bad. Yikes. Oh, wait. What up? I think that truck might be good. Yes, this is really bad. I have to make it with this rocket booster stuff. Stuck in the water. No, come on, no. Wait, is that a boat?
10, 9,
No!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye, this way. Oh, watch him how make it with that fast truck. Man, come on. This is nowhere. Okay. Let me continue. Okay. There we go. Okay, this I remember that naughty truck. Get out of my way. And then enable E. Is it gonna enable the spinner? Oh my gosh. What does this lever do? Spin backwards. Okay, it's causing more destruction for this truck. Oh, one thing. Oh. Yeah, I got 7 platinum for sure. Is it completely destroyed? Let's spectate it. It's completely destroyed. Ooh, there's a giant faux tank. Okay, that naughty faux tank better move. Oh no, there's a giant shredder right shredder. Oh, I I didn't mean to. Please don't hurt me. I have a family to take care of with this truck. Yo! You know what? I should probably break that trailer. Oh! There comes the shredder! Well, thank you, Shredder. Because anyway, I don't need that dumb trailer. Are you serious? Well, I guess. Thank you for that platinum. Can you blow up my trailer too? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna enable the conveyor. Say goodbye. Any last words? Okay, no last words, fine. Oops. I didn't even mean to do that, you little truck. Okay, okay, I'm just gonna keep on making this. Come on. Oh, there's a giant dump truck coming my way! Oh! Whoa, man. That's the vehicle that I'm trying to get. Oh, no! Okay, now it's definitely shredding the dump truck too, I guess. Okay, it's honking saying, move out of my way. Yeah, I bet. Okay. I should definitely respond before those two gigantic trucks. Okay. Can I try crowbarring the... Ah! Oh, no, 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 please. So why don't you help me? Okay, this tank better move. Should I crowbar this? This same. Yeah. Enabling the conveyor belt. Oh, that giant shredder. Okay. Whoa. Lower. Okay. I'm already in. Okay, this is crazy. Let's go to this big spinner. Oh my gosh. And who's honking? What the? Hey, look at the struggle. Come on. Okay. Now let's enable spinners. Okay. Digested. there's no way. I have 6, 7 right here. This dump truck. A naughty truck. I never seen that stuff crush. Okay, should I crush that first? Okay, let me raise it. E. Rest of that vehicle part. Come on, foolish vehicle. Okay, now lower it. And respawn and keep on crashing. Oh my god. Oh no, that's a oh! Let me in the spinning camera and get out. Okay. Yep. No. Okay. I have 2 buttons. So that's closed. Alright guys. Let's go. On my way to the truck. Time's up for you. Oh! Let me in the tube better. Now let's go to the wall crusher. Extend. I'm getting a lot of platinum. Only 11. That seems a bit awkward. Okay, now let's see. We still have 5,000 platinum to take over. There's 2 vehicles here. We're just gonna keep on crushing until we feel more flat. Okay, hey naughty, get out of my way. Okay. Very good vehicle. Come on. Up, up, up. Yes, yes. Okay, come on. Easy and extend. Okay, V. Okay, it's glitchy. Rear track. Okay, now enable invader burn. Oh, there's still one going on. Oh, extend. I hope my bacon egg doesn't get crushed. Oh, my precious truck. Okay, should hop on top of this truck. Yeah, I'm not getting off you. What? I can't go water? Fine, then let me do something. Wow, I wish I could shoot you. Okay. Yeah, crush my vehicle more and give me more plasma. Thank you. Oh! Now it's completely gone. Okay, out of my way to the laser intersector. Boost and crash. Oh! Okay, somehow I hate this thing. Yeah, just like that. By the way, it's kind of getting out here. Yep. Out here. Come on. Okay, extend V, spectate my vehicle, and there it goes trying to get crushed. Okay, I only earned 9 platinum. Oh, I don't even care about those wheels that are in the front that I just bought. Let's see. Boom. And Z. Now let's just pretend these ones. The wall crusher. Stand. Oh! That truck is seriously iron 500 platinum. I'm not annoying, that's that. Okay guys, I'm not annoying at that truck. Alright guys, well let's keep on doing that until the platinum is gone. Okay. Let's crush it. Iron 11 platinum. Fufu. Fall right into there. Wall crush. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Keep on crushing the vehicle and making my partner. Okay. Now this truck has to get fit, man. Yes. 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 Come on. Yes. I'm earning a lot of platinum. Let's just keep on crushing. Don't. Okay, I just earned one platinum. With that. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Come on. Okay, there we go. You know what? No. Just have to. Well, let's try out that new truck. Okay. Let's keep on just going back to find that vehicle. Okay. Foul foolish. Are these cars? Alright. Okay, where is it? Aha, there it is. We'll spawn this in. Whoa! Okay. What if I crush and destroy? Oh no! My truck! Okay, up there must be safe. Okay, come on. And I hope there was an engine. A single engine right over there. Yeah, that's right. Get crushed. Now let's drive. Why can I not drive it? You destroy. Come on. Okay. Okay, back up. Back up. Alright, no! Right back into my truck. Why does the horn sound? Oh no, I crashed. Okay, what if I change my wheels? Okay, rims. Alright. Okay. And then let's do and then okay, I'm just gonna hop straight out. Okay, when I truck inside that building, they're gonna say, there's no one in there, and where did that come from? And then they'll just be like, I don't know where did that come from. And 3, 2, 1, boost! Straight out! Oh no, I crashed! This is actually pretty cool vehicle. Jump out! Oh, my truck!
Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility
Again?
immediately.
Let's respawn. happening? Oh no. Okay, well I should be continuing to keep on crushing up my vehicle. That was a really cool truck. Okay. Come on. Okay. Okay. Now go. You finish up with this truck. Hey, naughty. Stop it. Alright. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This more vehicles just blew up. Yep. There it is. Keep on home. Okay, by the way, what? Am I stuck on a tree? Okay. Now let's go. Oh no, that truck is just... Hey naughty, stop it. Alright guys, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye everyone. Naughty, naughty, stop it, stop it. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! And bye, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright. Well, bye everyone.